from Madeira. I'm currently in the Fennel Forest, which is like a pretty famous place to come and wander and explore in Madeira. And I'm here because I'm about to start a 50-mile hike over 5 days across the island solo. I have joined onto a trip which is like a self-guided hiking trip, which is a really cool thing. So like you book on, it's all planned and arranged for you, and you get sent your routes every day, and there's other people that book on to the same week as you, and you can choose to do it as a group if you want to, but it's self-guided, so you can choose to go off by yourself, which obviously as a solo hiker I like to do. Literally just been dropped at the Fennel Forest for day one, and got 5 days of trekking through beautiful Madeira. We're actually staying in some pretty nice accommodation throughout the trip, which will be such a luxury after hiking up to 22 kilometers on some of the days. On one of the nights we're staying in a mountain refuge at the highest point on the island, which is going to be pretty cool. So it's going to be a pretty good week. I have a massive bag, probably going to cry at some point this week, but I'm so excited. If this is something that you think you might want to do, I'll share all the information at the end of the trip. I just thought I'll actually do the trek first and experience the whole week and the hiking and the accommodation and stuff, and then I'll share towards the end. And I have also done a completely different video of everything that I've packed for a 5-day 50-mile through hike. So if you're interested in knowing everything that's in this bag and everything that I would pack for a hike like this, go check that video out. And yeah, I need to start my hike now, so I guess I just have to start it. Nothing to it but to do it. Day one, baby, let's go.
A few moments later.
Literally just walked 10 minutes in the wrong direction. Haven't even started the trail yet. We're not off to a great start. I'm 2.5 miles in, about an hour and a half. So far I've had rain, wind, sunshine, clouds, clear blue skies. Typical Madeira. If you don't know Madeira well, it has a lot of microclimates. So you literally, any time of year that you come, you need to pack for every eventuality of weather, because it'll change by the hour. Way too hot, but I lasted 3 miles in all my layers. This has got to be over 17 kilograms. Good to go. Found this cute little clearing for a lunch spot because I am 5 miles in, 5 miles in, 3 hours in, and I've got no energy. I need to eat. I just realised I was so hungry I forgot to film any lunch. I just had lunch. I needed it. I've got so much more energy back now. Legs are dying. 5.4 miles in. Ready for a break. No, ready to be done. I've had a break. Actually got some views for the first time. That was nice. So tired. And I'm on the home straight. I literally have like a mile left. Warm shower and some chill time before day 2 is very needed. Finally made it, and this is the nicest accommodation. This is my room. I'm gonna have a shower. Oh my goodness. It's been an awesome day, but I am tired and just ready to chill. Oh, the best part of finishing a hike. My poor feet. Finished on 8.5 miles, 5 hours 52 minutes, 2,221 foot of ascent and 2,398 foot of descent. So a lot of down today on all the steps, which has probably killed my legs off. So bring on tomorrow. Bye. So this is the view from our first night accommodation. Very tired today. Even with 8 hours sleep, I just feel so tired. I guess it's body's needing more recovery time. Like, look how puffy my eyes are. That's off 8 hours sleep, and I've got mosquito bites right on the middle of my head. But it's day 2, and today we're doing double. Today we're doing double the distance, which is kind of scary considering how broken I feel after just yesterday, day 1. Today we're doing 22 kilometers and 14 miles. Probably gonna cry today. Let's see what happens. I'm 20 minutes in and I'm hot, so already having a bit of a change up. I'm gonna take my fleece off. Wow, this is so heavy. I reckon this is 20 kilograms and I'm not over exaggerating. I'm trying to remind myself, like, why do we hike? Why do we do these things? Could be laid by a pool today. Could have gone on holiday to the beach. Could be reading a book and drinking a pina colada. What's this about? Why did I choose this life? Oh, we got given this buff by the company. It says Madeira Trail. So it went with I've got purple socks on, purple top. This has purple in. I just thought it would be a quite nice little addition today. Let's go. Just came up out onto this like really flat plateau. It's nice to be in the sun and have just clear skies and views. So peaceful. Just knocked myself out on a tree. I was skipping along with my headphones on and all of a sudden I was on the floor and I had headbutted a tree branch, so yeah. I am 10.6 miles in, 6.5 hours. Just took a little lunch break, which was so needed. I was so hungry. I had literally had a ham and cheese sandwich, but it felt like the best food I'd ever eaten in my entire life. And I got to try one of those little Madeira custard tarts, which is like a local delicacy thing. And I think, according to my map, I only have about 3 miles left, 5k, which to me is like, that's the home straight. That's home straight time. I think there's a waterfall coming up. Oh my god! It starts all the way up there! That is amazing. So I've just had to put my head torch on because there's a freaking tunnel. I was warned that there were tunnels on this route, but yeah, let's go. I mean, it's very dark. Let's go see what it's like. The coolest experience. That was genuinely 15 minutes long from start to end. I've just got out here. 15 minutes in this tunnel. It's pretty cool. And then I come out and I've got this. Like, Madeira is just insane. Okay, officially made it off like the trail, but I don't know, my hopes up. Is that like a shop? It looks like more like a cafe than a shop. I really wanted some sweets. I'm so happy. They had snacks. I got crisps. And that's my hotel down in the valley. That orange building. Oh my god. That is my hotel. 9 hours of hiking today. 15 miles. Haven't done that in a long time. And like, I'm sore and I'm tired, but I'm not like terrible. I think it's because I haven't stopped. I think as soon as I rest now, everything's going to seize up and I'm not going to be able to walk in the morning. So day 3 is going to be fun. Here we go. Valley View Hotel and Comida. This is my room. Look at the views. Wow. Finished. Literally want to sleep. That was the longest day of the trip. And obviously it's tiring and exhausting, but what an amazing day. Like the scenery, the trails, like I whacked myself on the head, still found it quite funny. It's just been epic. Like the tunnels, the waterfalls, the levadas, like the green jungle. Madeira is amazing. Anyway, today we have finished on 15.01 miles. 2,263 foot of ascent, 9 hours and 1 minute and 19 seconds. Think of everything that you do in a 9-hour day, and I just have been walking for 9 whole hours. That's crazy. And you know what's really cool? My Garmin has been tracking this route for 9 hours straight, and it still has 10 days of battery life left. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, that's everything from me. I'm gonna shower, and it's only 5 p.m, so just chill, I guess, and rest. But thank you for watching day 2. Bring on day 3.